So how do you gossip about a Jamaican and they don't find out? A couple of months ago, I come across this video where someone was saying that, how do you gossip about a Jamaican and they don't find out? So I'm going to share that with you today in this video. But before I do, please remember to hit that like button. It will be greatly appreciated. And thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. God bless you. No. But I want to share this with you because it's been on my mind for the past couple of days to share what I heard in the video. How you want to gossip and chat bad about a Jamaican person, that this is hilarious. I'm telling you. But let me know in the comment section myself. So when I saw the video, I was like, is that true? I want to ask my people if they do this or this is that. So before I get into that, right? I have saw a message yesterday on my Facebook. I have saw a message yesterday on my Facebook page. A lady wrote on one of my posts, and she was. Let me see if I can find it, guys. Hold on. Let me see real quick. Let me pull it up, and then we'll take it from there. Let's see. I reposted it, but so it's not too far. Okay, so here it is. She said, Donna, I have read your book. It should be an inspiration to many. I am so sorry you went through such a ordeal, but this has prepared you for greater things that is now happening in your life. I comply you. You are such a charmer. Everyone should grab a copy of your book so that they can be enlightened by some of the things people go through to be where they are today. I salute you. You were made for greatness. Continue to reach for the stars. More blessings. So, guys, I come across that on my Facebook page yesterday, and I was grateful. And when I click on the person, she commented on my post a couple of times. Well, very nice lady. And I have a group on Facebook, and she told me that she was going to buy the book, and I comment on her post and tell her I am grateful. But she bought the book and she read it in one day. So the reason why I come here to do this video is to just say something that I saw in a video, and I'm going to say it now because what I saw in that video a couple of months ago, I did share it to myself, and for some reason I can't find it. And I'm like, where is the video? Because I didn't want to play it so you guys could hear it for yourself. So I have a couple of numbers. And I shared, and I'm not sure which one of the phone I share to. And because I share a message to myself every day, it's hard for me to find that because it's been months since I saw it. So when the person said, if you want to talk bad about a Jamaican person, write it in our book, because Jamaican people don't read. And that is exactly what he said. If any one of you ever saw a video like that, put it in the comment section, because I can't find it. Maybe you can copy it and paste it under this video for me, so I could go back and maybe, I can't find it. I've been looking for it to share it with you. But to say this, to say that the person, I call her on Facebook Messenger, and I tell her thanks very much. And I told her to, wherever she buy the book, she must leave the review that she put on my page, because I would be grateful for that. Every thoughts count, for anyone, if you're watching this and you have purchased my book, I'm asking you to go over there and leave your feedback about the book, because this book, I Wasn't Okay, is my autobiography, and this year I want to start write part 2 of this book. This book make a lot of people cry. So many people reach out to me that purchased the book and tell me that they were crying when they were reading this book. But it's my story, it's my story, and I share it. But if you're a Jamaican and you don't read, let me know in the comment section, because I'm not gonna lie, I buy a couple of books well, and I haven't read them. Because every day you're reading things online and you're seeing things, but you're really supposed to educate. A lot of things to educate us are in books, and that's why we don't know a lot more than what we should know. And the next video that I am going to do is I'm going to share some things with you that it has been in our culture. It has been in our culture, and it hold us back. It holds us back a lot. So I'm going to share that with you in my next video. But if you haven't buy my book, go over and I was also, we always listen to other people online, especially in our, in our culture, that Jamaicans doesn't support each other. And that's not true on my side, because if I'm watching you on social media and I see that you have a merch and I can buy it, remember, I'm one person, I can buy everybody's stuff. So if you buy from 10 people that you saw online that is a Caribbean, because right now I mostly buy stuff from my people. I always try to buy things from my people that I see that I would want, I would wear, or stuff like that. I buy a book from Jamaicans too, and I haven't read them yet, but I support them. I have a couple up here. I have a couple on my bookshelf over there. One day I'm gonna show you the books them that I bought. And yeah, I buy even Michelle Obama book I did buy, which she have it still, but I bought that about a couple black people book. And let me hold on, let me see if I find two. These are black owned books. Um, about these, I haven't read them yet. I have this. This is a black owned book. I even buy Steve Harvey book. And let's show you. I buy Michelle Obama book. So I do buy. So I do buy books. It's just that because I'm always on the go, I am a person that is trying to build and grow myself, and I can't pay people to help me. So I have to start on my own and try to push myself on my own until when the time comes that I can able to pay somebody to say, help me to do this. I have to be marketing my book myself. Yeah, I wasn't okay by Donna Edwards. Just type in I wasn't okay on Amazon, but you have to put book. I wasn't okay book on Amazon. If you want to purchase this book, you can tell me. If you already purchased this book, you can also tell me. Um, and as I was reading what the lady said, it remind me of the video that I watched that the person said, if you want to talk about a Jamaican person, put it into a book. And because Jamaican people don't read books and they don't support you. And also, I did talk to this person that wanted to do an interview with me once, and they said to me, he's not a Jamaican either. And he said to me, don't market your book in Jamaica. Try to market it in places where people will read books. The person, and there wasn't a Jamaican. And the guy that was saying that in that video, he's not a Jamaican either. So I'm not sure why he said that, because I never heard that before. I never heard that before. But if you think that's true and you're a Jamaican and you feel like, oh, I don't read books. I don't read books. I don't read books. Let me know in the comment section. I don't really read books, to be honest. I have all these books by supporting people. And believe me, this book is someone from Clarendon. And she too, Leonie Brooksdale. Yeah, I think she's from Clarendon too. I think, I'm not sure. And I have a couple more. Them just maybe all over the place on shelves and stuff. But if we really come together as a human beings in our culture and support each other, it would be wild. You can't support everybody, but at least you come in here and watch my video is a part of supporting me. You like it and leave a feedback is a part of, because is a part of supporting me. But anyway, guys, I'm not gonna take up any more of your time. Have a blessed day and be safe. Thank you guys so much for keep coming in here, and I appreciate you. I'm truly, truly appreciate you. God bless you, and bye bye, guys. Love you guys. Bye. I mean, I will sit here and talk to you the whole time, but I don't want the video to be too long. I think maybe I need to start do a one live every now and then so I can interact with you guys. That would be nice, right? Let me know in the comment section. Bye.